Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and I'm excited because I just got a whole bunch of goodies to do some unboxing and video reviews. We got some Poly headsets, Logitech webcams. I don't know what that was, but we got a lot of stuff to review, so I'm excited to get into it. In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing of the Poly 4245 Bluetooth wireless headset. So let's dive in right now. All right, so this is the Poly Voyager 4245. Let's see what's inside here. Look at that. It looks shiny, looks nice. Let's see if you can see that. All right, let's see what's inside here. It's hard to pull out here. There we go. And there's a battery, so you can put that battery, just slide that on there. And it says battery on, that's kind of cool. You got a neckband and a headband. And you got the charging base here. Let's put that on top. This is nicely packaged, as Poly always does. And that won't let you put it on the charger. Put that to the side. All right. Let's see what else is in here. You got all your accessories. You got some ear hooks that looks familiar like their other products. Looks like you got a quick start guide and a manual. I don't really use those. I'm just not that kind of person. I think there's just two kinds of people in this world. People that use manuals and people that don't. I'm just one of those people that only goes to the manual if I have to. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, so you got the power adapter. And this is for the US or the AC power adapter that plugs into the back of the charging base. It's very common with these Plantronics headsets. What is this? Oh, what's kind of cool about this headset is it has unlimited talk time. So that means that it has a secondary battery built in. So you have another way of charging with this USB cable. It's kind of cool. And it's got that battery there. Hey, and if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button on this video. That gives us feedback, letting us know that this video is helpful and informative to you. Also, if you have any questions about any headset related questions, go ahead and leave that in the comments section below. Appreciate it. All right, let's see what else is in here. So this plugs in via USB. And then looks like we got another USB cable. USB to micro USB, and what that's going to do is just plug into the back of this charging base and then go into your computer. So this headset actually is unique because it has triple connectivity. It is a Bluetooth headset that connects to your desk phone as well as your computer. So you can actually take this headset with you on the go as a like earpiece Bluetooth headset. So that's really unique as far as an office product goes. And what we're going to do is an in-depth review of this headset so you can see exactly how this headset works and all the features of it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified when we release that. It'll be really shortly, so stay tuned. So let's see what else. Looks like that's about it. You got your connector cable. This connects your charging base to your desk phone through an analog line, your Cisco, Polycom, Yelinks, those types of phones. You have your earpiece, charging base, power adapter, USB cable, your unlimited talk time with this extra spare battery and charger, and then your different wearing styles. Let me show you the ear loops here. There's a variety of ear loops, small, medium, large. You also have ear gels and a foam. They do this for, Plantronics does this, or Poly does this for a lot of their headsets, the Savvy 7040, 8240, and the list goes on. And basically it just is interchangeable with this, just snaps on here. And as well, this is an earbud, so it actually goes inside of your ear. So there's that. Well, that's all there is, an unboxing here. I hope you found this helpful. Just so you know, after we're done reviewing this video or this product, we actually give these products away. So don't forget to join our giveaway just by going to headsetadvisor.com/giveaway, and we'll put up a URL on the video here and also a link in the description below. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time.